In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment section on Squarespace. If you want visitors to interact with your blog posts and leave feedback directly on your site, enabling comments is a simple way to do that. Squarespace includes a built-in comment setting for blog content, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to turn it on. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're in the main admin area, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of your site-wide controls, so if you ever need to adjust general website behavior, this is usually a good place to start. After opening settings, find and click on Blog Preferences. This section contains options related specifically to how your blog functions, including settings that affect post behavior and reader interaction. Since comments are typically tied to blog content, this is the area you'll want to work in. Inside Blog Preferences, click on Comments Settings. This section is dedicated to how commenting works across your site. If comments are currently turned off, your visitors won't be able to leave responses on blog posts, so this is the key setting to update. Now look for the option labeled Enable Comments Globally and click it to turn it on. Enabling comments globally means that comments can be used across your blog content instead of having to activate them one by one from the beginning. This is especially helpful if you want a consistent experience for readers and want to encourage discussion throughout your posts. Once that setting is enabled, click Save. This final step applies the change and makes sure your new comment setting is actually updated on your site. If you leave the page without saving, the change may not take effect, so don't skip this part. And that's it. You've now enabled the comment section on your Squarespace site. After saving, it's a good idea to check one of your blog posts on the live site to confirm that the comments area appears the way you expect. If you're managing audience engagement, remember that turning on comments can help build community, gather feedback, and increase interaction with your content. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a comment section on Squarespace.